It's July 24th, 1971. It's BBC Mormons, camera roll 1 for sound roll 1. Uh, 24 frames a second, 60 cycle crystal sync. Sound 1. Hey.
Can you describe what you were like at the time you got your patriarchal blessing? What kind of age you were, what you were doing?
I was about 30 years old. I was a young mother and a housewife, and very religious.
A really active Mormon?
Yes.
Why did you want a patriarchal blessing?
I was teaching young people in the church and urging them to have a patriarchal blessing, and I felt it my obligation to do the thing I was advising them to do. Besides, I really